pre-intermediate first year topic reading. The topic atomic structure, quantum numbers. Quantum numbers. What is the meaning of quantum numbers? Quantum numbers means to locate address, particular address. Meaning of quantum number is particular address. But in this quantum number, explain position and energy of the orbit, particular orbit, position and energy of the orbit. Quantum numbers means to locate address, explain position and energy of the orbit. That orbit is different types. That is the first Schleicher energy is related to first, second, third, like that orbits. So it is also 1, 2, 3, 4, K, L, M, N, like that. Particular position, maybe third level, M shell. Particular position, how much energy? In case first orbit related to how much energy. So this particular position, energy find out. Maybe this particular position, energy find out. Maybe this particular position, energy find out. Means to locate address means particular orbit, that position is related to energy find out. That is called quantum number. Simply locate address means numbers useful to know energy and the position of electron, of the position energy of the electron, energy of the electron in an atom, the electron in an atom, that is electron position. So in this quantum number, based on quantum numbers, 4 types. That 4 are principal, azimuthal, magnetic, spin quantum. First one is principal quantum number, 4 types. Principal quantum number, second one azimuthal quantum number, third one is magnetic quantum number, fourth one is spin quantum number. 4 types. In this 4 quantum, first one principal quantum number, indication of letter small, azimuthal quantum number L small, magnetic quantum number M, spin quantum number S. These 4 related to principal quantum number L, azimuthal quantum number L, magnetic quantum number M, spin quantum number S. But in this principal quantum number, explain Bohr science. Bohr science. Means Bohr. Azimuthal quantum number explain Sommerfeld. Magnetic quantum number explain Landé. Spin quantum number explain Uhlenbeck and Gauss-Smith. That is the scientist related principal quantum number explain Bohr, azimuthal quantum number explain Sommerfeld, magnetic quantum number Landé, spin quantum number Uhlenbeck and Gauss-Smith. First of all, principal quantum number significance. What are the significance of principal quantum number? That is size and energy of the orbit. Size and energy of the orbit. Principal quantum explain size and energy. How to identify size and energy? Depends on orbit. The size increases gradually. Like the size and energy of the orbit explanation given principal quantum number. Second one is azimuthal quantum number explain shapes of the orbital. Shapes of the orbital. Shapes means S orbital, P orbital, D orbital, F orbital. What is S orbital? Spherical shape. P orbital, dumbbell shape. D orbital, double dumbbell shape. Like that. F are four-fold dumbbell. S orbital, spherical shape. P orbital, dumbbell shape. D orbital, double dumbbell shape. F orbital, four-fold dumbbell shape. Shapes of the orbital explanation. Then also magnetic quantum number. Explain land-based scientist. Explanation given. Orientation of the orbital. Orientation of the orbital. What is orientation? Means not only circular path, elliptical form is nothing but orientation. Just like a elliptical form. This contains major axis, minor axis also. Elliptical form. Maybe negative values, positive values also. Means here 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 11, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. Negative values, positive values also given. Orientation of the orbital. Not only circular path, in elliptical form also that is called orientation of the orbital. Elliptical form only. That is also explanation related to Zeeman and Stark effect also. Zeeman and Stark effect also given, that is land-based. Fourth one is the significance of spin quantum number. Spin quantum number significance is observation. In the spin quantum number explanation is Uhlenberg and Gauss with spinning of electron. Spinning of electrons. These are different observation. These all are explanation given principal, azimuthal, magnetic. These are explanation, orbital's explanation. But here spinning of electrons is the explanation given electrons only. Means one orbit. For example, S contains only one orbit. That orbit contains two electrons. Orbit number is 1, but electrons numbers are 2. That two electrons are opposite. In case P contains 3 orbits, means Px, Py, Pz. Px 2 electrons, Py 2 electrons, Pz also 2 electrons. In case D contains 5 orbits, 5 dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square minus y square, dz square. So each contains 2 electrons, must be opposite direction. One is clockwise, another one is anti-clockwise, must be opposite. F contains 7 orbits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Each end contains 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So observation. Number of orbits. Number of electrons. That is related to topic. S contains only one orbit. How many electrons? One orbit means one box contains only one orbit. That two electrons nothing but opposite direction. Here P contains how many orbits? 1, 2, 3. 3 orbits. 3 into 2, 6 electrons. D contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 orbits. So 5 to the 10 electrons. F contains 7 orbits. 14 electrons. Observation. Number of orbits are odd number related. Double the number of orbits nothing but electron. One orbit contains 2 electrons. One orbit maximum 2 electrons. That 2 electrons must be opposite direction. One is clockwise direction, another one is anti-clockwise direction. One orbit contains the 2 electrons must be oppositely. The 2 electrons contains opposite direction is maintained. That is stability formation ion. That is stable form. Plus half, minus half. In clockwise direction, plus half, anti-clockwise direction, minus half. Like these are orbitals, s orbital, p orbital, d orbital, f orbital. So these orbitals utilizing these quantum numbers also. So isn't here quantum numbers based on 4 observation, 4 types: principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic spin quantum number. Principal quantum number indicated small and letter b. It was proposed by Bohr. It can explain size and energy of the orbit. Means size of the orbit increases. Size of the orbit increases. Energy levels also increase. Size of the orbit increase, energy levels also increase. Then in this size of the orbit, number of orbits formula. Number of orbits is equal to n square. Number of electrons formula 2n square. For example, n is equal to 1 applied, nothing but 1 square, nothing but 1 orbit. Here also n is equal to 1 applied, 2 into 1 square, nothing but 2. Means 1 orbit, 2 electrons. 1 orbit, 2 electrons. Number of orbits formula n square. Number of electrons formula 2n square. N is equal to 1 applied, 1 square, nothing but 1 orbit. Number of electrons formula 2n square. N is equal to 1 applied, 2 into 1 square, nothing but 1 into 2, 2. 1 orbit contains 2 electrons. Like that 3 orbit, 3 into 2, 6 electrons. Like that is the orbit numbers increase in order. Electrons also gradually increases. So orbit to orbit division, s orbital, p orbital, d orbital, f orbital. So this is the size and energy of the orbit. In this explanation given principal quantum number only. Size and energy of the orbit. Number of orbits formed n square. Number of electrons formed 2n square. Depends on number of orbits related electrons only. Depends on number of orbits kind of electrons. Reason is the orbit number gradually increases. First orbit, second orbit, third orbit. Electrons numbers also gradually increase. That is one of the reason principal quantum number explanation given. Size and energy. That is significance of principal quantum number. Second one is azimuthal quantum number. This azimuthal quantum number depends on principal quantum number. How to depends principal quantum number? Azimuthal quantum number depends on principal quantum number. The reason is so this values depends on principal quantum number. N is azimuthal quantum number. N is equal to n minus 1 formula. N is principal quantum number. L is azimuthal quantum number. Means n is equal to 1 applied, nothing but 1 applied. 1 minus 1, that is 0. N is equal to 0. In case n is equal to 2 applied, L is equal to 2 minus 1, 1 only. Like that, n is S orbital, P orbital, D orbital, F orbital, n values also. How to identify them? Here listen. N is principal quantum number, L is azimuthal quantum number, that is the shapes of the orbital. Orbital shapes of the orbital. Shapes of the orbital. The formula n is equal to n minus 1 only. That is related to n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So one after that formula, n value 1 minus 1, 0. Next 2 apply, 2 minus 1, 1 only. 3 minus 1, 2. 4 minus 1, 3. That is S orbital. This is P orbital, D orbital, F orbital. In S orbital contains spherical shape, dumbbell, double dumbbell, 4 dumbbell. So principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, these are observations. N values, L values, orbital shapes related to observation. N is principal quantum, L is azimuthal quantum number, orbital shapes. But here N values must be started with one number, but L value 0. Depends on formula. L is equal to n minus 1 only. Azimuthal quantum number depends on principal quantum number only. N values 1, 2, 3, 4. L value 0, 1, 2, 3. That is 0 is considered S orbital. 1 is considered P orbital. 2 considered D orbital. 3 F orbital. So that is S orbital shape is spherical shape. P orbital dumbbell shape. D orbital double dumbbell shape. F orbital 4 dumbbell shape. So that is the azimuthal quantum number observation. This is also known as angular momentum quantum number. That angular momentum quantum number find out formula root of n into n plus 1 under root of n into n plus 1. So that is the formula for angular momentum quantum. L is azimuthal quantum number. It is also known as azimuthal quantum number. That is objective point of IIT NEET purpose required that formula. Third one is magnetic quantum number. But in this magnetic quantum number depends on azimuthal quantum number. Magnetic quantum number depends on azimuthal quantum number. N value, L value, M value, 2L plus 1. Nothing but number of orientation. Formula related to must be n values, L values related. Applying that formula here 1, 2, 3, 4. L value 0 already before 2, 0, 1, 2, 3. But here 2L plus 1 apply formula. 0 is substitute L plus 1. 2 into 0, 0 plus 1. That is 1 value. That is 0 is 1 value. Because number of orientation 0 also minus 1. In case 1 apply 1 into 2. 1 into 2. 2 plus 1 3. The 3 values are minus 1 0 plus 1. Minus 1 0 plus 1. Total 3 values. Here apply 2 in this formula. L value 2. This L value 2. 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, 5 values. Means minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2. Total 5 values. In case 3 apply. 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. Total 7 values. elliptical form. First orientation is just like a, this is the first orientation. Then after -1 plus 1, second orientation -2 plus 2, third orientation -3 plus 3, like this. See, 0 is also 0 is also countable here because L value 0, M value 0 is one value here consideration. 0 into 2, 0 plus 1, applied formula, orientation formula. Here 1 apply, 1 into 2, 2 plus 1, 3, minus 1, 0 plus 1, that is 1 of those. Like that is the orientation calculated formula by use. That is magnetic quantum. In this magnetic quantum number, so lambda explains one more thing also. Zeeman effect and Stark effect also. Splitting up of spectral lines in electric field, that is called Stark effect. Splitting up of spectral lines in electric field. For example, electric wires are so many, just wires are there. That is connected terminals of the cathode and anode wire to produce electricity. That is based on electric field only. That is called Stark effect. Magnetic, that is quantum number. That is Zeeman effect is the splitting up of spectral lines in magnetic field. Nothing but, so that is observation in the magnet, bar magnet. That bar magnet, south pole, north pole also. Like a small magnet has attacked, that is the so many iron particles observation in bit of the cases also. Like this theory also explanation given magnetic quantum. Zeeman and Stark effect also explanation given. That is magnetic quantum. Then after spin quantum number. In this spin quantum number given, that relates spinning of electron. The spinning of electron, how to identify? In clockwise direction, anti-clockwise direction, plus half concentration of clockwise. Anti-clockwise reverse direction also, minus half also. Spinning of electron two ways. First of all, that is observation, one of the part. One half rotation left side moving, another half side is right side moving. Complete one rotation means one circle form. Half of the part is one is right side part, another one is left side. Clockwise direction is plus half, anti-clockwise is minus half. Complete one revolution is completed. Means one circular path is completed. The electron revolves around the nucleus in circular orbit. That is the called orbit. Nothing but electron rotating according to Bohr's constant related to each other. But in this spin quantum number, electrons explanation. That's why independent quantum number compared to these three. Azimuthal quantum number depends on principal quantum number. Magnetic quantum number depends on azimuthal quantum number. But spin quantum number independent. Reason is the orientation of the nothing but here. Spinning of electrons explanation given. Reason is the Uhlenbeck and both sides spinning of electrons given. Only electrons explanation. That's why independent quantum. This is independent quantum. So once again, simply that is quantum number to locate address, to find out address meaning of quantum number. Means numbers useful to know energy and position of electron in an atom. Numbers useful to know energy and position of electron in an atom. Particular orbit, energy position is found based on these four quantum number principle electromagnetic spin quantum. So this is the significance related to science and energy, shapes of the orbital, orientation of the orbital, spinning of the electrons.